Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I'm going to do a couple Walmart hauls this week. This is just like a midweek haul of things that I needed, and I thought I would just share it because I'll combine it with another bigger Walmart haul later in the week. So again, just had to run out for a few things I needed. So I got some white cranberry strawberry ocean spray juice. I got some International Delight Amaretto creamer, a raspberry lemonade to throw in Matt's lunch this week, a kiwi strawberry sparkling drink to throw in Matt's lunch this week as well, a honey green tea, and then a pomegranate tea. I believe all of these were either 97 cents or $1 at the most, so grab those. The main two things I went for were these two things. So the first one are these vinyl disposable gloves. I use these all the time if I'm like mixing meat or handling meat or just doing certain things cooking wise. It could be anything. And I buy the big one. It's got 100 gloves in it. And I buy the ones that say powder free because I use them all the time. And actually, the box that I currently have literally has like 3-4 gloves left. So I wanted to go ahead and get another one since I pretty much cook every single day and I go through these you know, quite a bit. So I got a new one of these. If you're curious, they're about $6.75 at my Walmart. And this box will last me several, you know, a good handful of months. So I went in there mainly for those. I also needed freezer quart size bags, whether it's for snacks for my son on the go, my husband's sandwiches, or just actually freezing things. So I went with the big family pack of 64 bags. So I got those. I grabbed some more cherries. I think this is about a pound because they're just so good this year. And I haven't ever really realized how good cherries were until this summer, to be honest. So I'm going to go ahead and prep these and clean them, you know, wash them and then cut them so they're ready to go. So I grabbed those. I also got another of the Dawn Platinum dish foam. I actually have one here that is almost empty. It's down to the bottom. And let me say, this stuff works really well for soaking pots and pans and things that are just really caked on. Just 2 nice pumps and some hot soapy water and pretty much gets everything off. So it just makes my life a lot easier, again, since I cook pretty much every day. I got some Fruit Shoot strawberry raspberry juices for my son. We've got a couple play dates and a couple outings this week, so these are just easy to throw in my little cooler bag along with some bottled water. I got these small Stonyfield Organic Kids strawberry banana smoothies for Grady. A little cat treat thing for my cat. This is the Friskies gravy, chicken gravy flavor party mix thing. Some Cape Cod sweet and spicy jalapeno chips, kettle cooked chips for my husband or whoever. And then I did have to get some pant hangers. These are so expensive. If you guys know of anywhere cheaper, I'm probably gonna have to check Amazon or maybe even eBay, but Walmart's the cheapest I found them. For a 2-pack, it's $2. So $6 for 6 hangers, pretty much $1 a hanger. But I need them because I'm just about done with Grady's back to school shopping. And I was about 5 to 6 hangers short for his new back to school pants. So anyways, this was about $45, $46 if you're curious. And just stay tuned for the next haul. Alright guys, here is my second and larger haul from Walmart. This haul was $90. I'm gonna start over here. I got some cherry 7-Up. I did not even know they made cherry flavored 7-Up. I don't know why. Just to throw in my husband's lunches once in a while. And then I really like Coke Vanilla Zero, but they did not have it. So I got the Cherry Zero, and I hope it's good. And we're not huge soda drinkers anymore. I like to have just one a day. It's like my little fix. I used to drink a lot of diet soda, and I've been able to cut down to one a day at home. And then obviously maybe if like I go out with a friend or something, or we go out as a family, I might have like a Diet Coke or something if and when we go out. So cherry 7-Up, cherry Coke Zero, my normal dozen cage-free brown eggs. I got some more of this Black Label bacon to throw in the freezer. I always like to have 1 or 2 bacons in my freezer because I use them for a lot of different things. I got some of these hard salami paninos to throw in Matt's lunch. I'm actually going to do a bento box little lunch for him tomorrow, so I grabbed these. I get these all the time too, the Wild Wonders tomatoes. I use them for salads, for roasting. They're really good. I got some of the Innovation sticky white rice. This is so good. I actually usually get 2 at a time, but this was the last box, so I was really happy that I was able to grab it. So I got that for our dinner next week. I've never tried these before, but I got them for Matt, and I'm actually going to see if my son will eat them. They are the Nature Valley granola cups in peanut butter and chocolate. Just something a little different. I've never tried them, so hopefully they're good and my husband likes them. I got a couple kiwis. Got some strawberries. They were on sale for $2.30 for this. I got 2 heads of broccoli for roasting or salads or both. I got a couple boxes of the Tricolor Rotini by Barilla, which is my favorite pasta brand. Always love having these because I whip up pasta salads all the time. Some chocolate chip Teddy Grahams for a little snack for Grady. Some rigatoni. Some of the Stonyfield strawberry banana yogurt pouches. I got some pepperoni for English muffin pizzas next week because Grady will be, he's going to be done with camp. Actually tomorrow is his last day, meaning today when you guys are watching this. But I wanted to have some hot lunch options for him next week since he'll be home. So I got pepperoni. Got a couple little candy things for 2 of my friends, or one of my friends' 2 kids. I'm making them like a little back to school treat bag. So I got Starburst gummies and Airheads, again for like a little treat bag. Some shredded iceberg, so I can do BLTs at some point. I needed some spin brush head refills, so I got these Pro and Gum Health. By the way, if you're looking for a like battery operated, I guess if that's the right term, toothbrush, I have absolutely loved our spin brushes. I think for almost 2 years. They're really good. The refills are reasonable. They're like $7 or $8, and they're just, it's a really good toothbrush. I've been really impressed with it, so I wanted to share that. Got some basil, which kills me because my mom has like 2 huge basil plants growing, but I just haven't had the time to get up there this week. So I've got basil, got a couple oranges to cut up. I got some Little Potato Company garlic, parsley, microwave potatoes. For some reason I thought these were a lot more expensive than they were. They were like $1.78, and this is a good amount of potatoes. It's a pound, and it comes with a seasoning. So I just thought for something different. I know it's obviously cheaper to make them with a normal bag of potatoes, but I got them to try something different. I got a few drinks like I normally do for Matt, just different things to throw in his lunches. Some Snapple Grape Aid, really good flavor. A Nantucket Nectar pressed apple, and then a Snapple Mango Madness. But if you're curious, the Snapples were $1 each, and this was $1.18 for that. I got some Reese's International Delight Creamer. We went through the one we had, and Matt really liked it. I'm not a huge fan of it, but Matt likes it, so I got another one. I got some cheddar rolled gold pretzels. Brady likes to snack on those. Some chocolate original Jello pudding, Jello brand pudding. And then lastly, a cantaloupe to cut up because I want to start having fruit every week because we definitely do not eat enough of it, and I want to get better about that. But anyways, this is the second haul. Stay tuned now for the meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright, so my meal plan for next week, which is Sunday, August 12th through Saturday the 18th. One night I'm going to do Trader Joe's walnut shrimp. I'm actually going to Trader Joe's next week with my son and my girlfriend Trisha and her kids. But anyways, I actually have one bag. I just took a deep freezer inventory in my basement. So I have one bag of that left, so I'm going to go ahead and use that up since I'll probably get more next week. I'm going to pair that with that sticky rice that I showed you in this haul, and then some green beans that are fresh from my mom's garden. Another night I'm going to do spicy Korean beef, which I do have. It's like a sweet and spicy Korean beef. It's not really that spicy unless you want to make it that way. I do have a video on this. However, normally I make it over rice, but this time I'm going to serve it in lettuce wraps, kind of taco style. I'm going to do some mini meatloaf. I actually had meatloaf on my meal plan this week, but I never got around to making it. So I'm going to go ahead and make it next week, the mini meatloaves. I just use muffin tins. I'm going to do those little steamer potatoes that I showed you in this haul, and then another batch of green beans because my mom's garden is really pumping out the produce right now, which I'll never complain about. I have a bunch of chicken wings and chicken thighs, and I think I even have chicken legs frozen. So I'm going to do some chicken on the grill with the marinade. I'm actually going to use, let me show you guys. this marinade. I used it once and it was really, really good. Our friend Justin actually told us about this. This is the Baja Citrus. And you just prepare it really simply with water, vegetable or olive oil, and some vinegar. And I find the longer you let it marinate, the better. So I'm going to do that. And then next week, like I said, I got to go to Trader Joe's. I'm almost out of my seasonings. I have to stock up there and get a good amount of stuff. So next week's haul will be Trader Joe's, just a heads up, because I know a lot of you guys like Trader Joe's. But anyways, back to the meal plan. So one night, again, that marinated chicken, I'll probably do a mixture of wings, thighs, and legs, just to switch it up. I'll make some roasted veggies, and then I'll make some quinoa or rice. I always have, my husband is not a big fan of quinoa. I am really not the hugest fan of it, but I do like it every once in a while. So I'll either do quinoa, I like to cook it in chicken broth, or I will do like yellow rice or one of my, you know, Near East rices. And by the way, for those who are new, I do have a full kitchen tour video. I can link it below that I show everything, all my organization and all my cabinets, that kind of thing. But anyways, that is next week, one night. And then for my no meat night, I'm going to do eggplant parmesan. I do have a video on that I did a long time ago. I'll link that below. So I'll do eggplant parmesan. I'll either do garlic bread or Italian bread, and then I'll make a dinner, you know, a nice little side dinner salad. And then of course, every week I always have my night where I either do breakfast, leftovers. I call it like a freebie night. So I can do breakfast, I can do leftovers, or I can just kind of go off the map and do whatever I want. And then next week, Saturday the 18th, we're supposed to be going out to dinner with some friends that are in town for track, because we live near Saratoga Springs and it's racing season and it's a huge deal here. So we have a lot of friends and relatives that come in and out for track season. But yes, this is my meal plan for next week. As always, guys, I always in the description box have my discount code and my review for this Carrie L meal planner. I am actually almost done with this planner. I think I have another, I don't know, 7 to 8 weeks left. I was just looking. So I'm going to have to get another one. I was thinking about maybe getting the mini meal planner just to switch it up, because it's the same concept but a little bit smaller. And like I said, as always, I always have my review for this down below, as well as a discount code. I hope you enjoyed this week's haul and meal plan. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday with a new video. Bye, guys.